welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share some of the protein sources that we consume as a vegetarian. Here are the few lentils other than tur dal, like peanuts, chana, moong dal, peas or tofu or soya granules or paneer. Here are the ways I want to share other than the curries. We can consume them in the lunchtime or as a snacks. So let's see what are they. Here is the first one, the moong dal. It has a 7 grams of protein for a 1 cup of cooked moong dal and 24 grams of protein for 100 grams of raw moong dal. So I soaked the moong dal for 8 hours and then boiled it. So I just gave a tempering like with some minimum oil and some kind of tempering ingredients. So it is ready to eat in the lunch time. As part of lunch, we can also consume this one and along with some other carbs. 1 cup of boiled peanuts will have 15 to 16 grams of protein. We can take them as it is. They are so tasty. If you want, you can also add some of the vegetables like carrot, onion, tomato. Here I am taking as it is. We can soak two types of dal together like peanuts and peas so that we can soak it and boil together. It will be easy for 2 consecutive days. Green peas is also one of the plant-based protein. For 1 cup of cooked green peas will have 8 to 9 grams of protein and it is easy to digest, high in vitamin and vitamin C and fiber. In this salad, I am cooking the peas on the stove so that they are not becoming mushy. In this salad, I am adding the chopped avocado. I made the small pieces and then adding and also chopped tomato into small pieces. Now I am squeezing the lemon, salt and pepper, and this is so tasty. Please try it out and let me know. We can also make the chaat with the peas. This is also going to be so tasty. 1 cup of cooked black chickpeas will have 12 to 15 grams of protein in that. So we can make the salad out of it by adding the cucumber, tomatoes and lemon and salt and pepper powder. This is very good to eat and it is sweet. It is so tasty. Using the lemon juice and mix it nicely. So chana salad is ready. This is easy to. We also consume tofu as one of the protein sources. Each Costco box of 16-ounce tofu will have a 50 grams of protein. As we cut into tofu into small pieces, we just fry with a little bit of oil along with some salt and soya sauce and chili powder. This can be good with any food or noodles. So or you can eat it directly. This is one of the easy thing to make. Soya chunks are the one of the plant-based highest protein sources. They are also rich in fiber. 100 grams of soya chunks will have 50 grams of protein. Usually I soak them in the water and then add into any curries directly. So this is the curry of brinjal and tomato. I cook them in the cooker. So this is we can eat them like this or any fried rice and all. The protein sources we consume on a daily basis in lunch time or in the dinner time along with some carbs. So please let me know your favorite one and also what is the ways you are making the protein.